Welcome to qnawire.
So we're doing chapter 18, problem 37 here. So it says if the humidity is at 45% at a T equaling 30 degrees Celsius, what is the dew point? And it says use linear interpolation to find the temperature of the dew point to the nearest degree. So first we need the saturated vapor pressure of water at 30 degrees Celsius. And at 30 degrees Celsius, we can look at table 18.2 on page 562. And we should see that this corresponds to a P-sat equaling 4,240 pascals. Okay, so we're going to use that. We also know that the relative humidity, or HREL as I call it, is given as P partial over P-sat. And this then is, so we're trying to figure out the dew point, so we actually need this partial pressure, so we can rearrange this equation. So P partial is P-sat times HREL. So this is 4240 times 0.45. If we plug that in, this is 1908 pascals. So now that we know the partial pressure here, we also should know that the dew point is the temperature at which the partial pressure is the saturated vapor pressure. So we need to find at what T is P-sat equaling 1908 pascals. So from the table, we probably don't know the exact, or we don't have an exact value for the P-sat. So we should see the two closest values are at 15 degrees. We have, 1710 pascals, and at 20 degrees, there is 2330 pascals. So to figure out the temperature for 1920 pascals, we need to use linear interpolation here. And to do that is we take the temperature before it, the closest step before it, which we have is 15. So this is temperature at 1710 pascals. And we add on our slope factor, which is 1908 minus 1710 pascals over 2330 minus 1710 pascals. So this is the difference in pascals here. And we need to multiply this times the difference in temperatures, which is 5 degrees from 15 to 20. And this easily comes out to being 15 degrees Celsius plus 1.6 degrees Celsius, or 16.6 degrees Celsius. Awesome.